With the nation currently battling with asymmetric warfare that has no defined enemy, the success over the present warfare as projected by the Nigerian army is largely dependent on the capacity of leadership at all levels in the military. With this in view, the Nigerian Army Resource Center organized its Leadership and Strategic Course 1 2023 with a theme, Military Leadership in a Security Challenge Environment in Nigeria, for senior military officers. The Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Farouk Yahaya, while delivering the inaugural lecture, harps on the need for adequate training of personnel for optimal performance by commanders.
These challenges are all across the globe. Asymmetric challenges we are having are all across the globe. We have our own version of it, and that's why we continuously try to address issues that border on leadership. The other one we are doing is training. Even this lecture is part of training. Training has levels. The one we brought here are very senior officers who are on course and that are spoken to our Chief of Army Staff, giving his insight in what he expected to do, what he wanted to emphasize in terms of training. Issues like courage, issues like dedication, integrity, and being proactive in the situation we find ourselves, initiative, and all those things that are required. Welfare of men and personnel, and take care of the equipment, and relating well with other services and agencies.
Meanwhile, the Director General of the Center, retired Major General Garba Wahab, emphasized the need for military leaders to exhibit high level of professionalism and integrity, especially in the aspect of welfare for their subordinates.
Administration is key, because when you administer them, their requirements are met. They know that whatever happens, they'll be taken care of. They give their best. Perfect. And then cooperation, everybody working as a team, and issue of readiness. If you are a professional, you are not ready. You are not a professional. So readiness comes with professionalism. But above all, a leader who is not interested in the welfare and the administration of his men will be a complete failure. And that's what we are emphasizing.
With the inauguration of the course, the center, among other aims, seeks to develop military leaders with the needed skills in harnessing the strength of their subordinate, while building a strong team spirit for group success. John Taylor, ITV News.